Hi guys, Steph here. Right, we've got for you another pen haul. Now this pen haul is from the weekend just gone. I went out on Saturday and Sunday and I found a few pen, unusually because the fares were actually quite small, but I actually managed to find two people that had a little bit of a collection, which I purchased. Now, secondly, just to let you know that I'm actually considering ending these pen haul videos at the end of the year. Couple of reasons. One, that the weather's now changed here in the UK, which will affect the sort of where I actually go looking for these pens and hunting for them. And secondly, unfortunately, the reason I actually do these pen hauls for you people is, well, I actually go out and buy, they don't come for free. I have to actually buy them, believe it or not. And when I started doing, the idea behind them was simply to buy them, to make them available to you people out there and to sell them. And then when I actually sell them, that would actually recoup my costs, which would allow me then to go out and do these pen hauls and buy, more pens. Now, unfortunately, although some of them are selling, not as many are selling as I would wish. So unfortunately, I'm just now accumulating pens. Now, even from the likes of the last pen haul, September pen haul videos, I've still got lots of lovely pens available. So unfortunately, I cannot really afford to keep going out buying pens and having them just sat in boxes. So yeah, may change, I don't know, but I'm seriously considering at the end of the year to sort of end these pen haul videos and maybe just do simple, one-off, pen reviews basically. So yeah, if any of you people can help me out there, as I said, I keep on saying there's lots of pens available. If there's anything of interest, as with these, I keep on telling you, get in touch down below. It helps me. And hopefully, if it helps me, I can carry on, go out and get more for you people to look at. So that's just a little bit of sort of information for you that I'd like to give you. Right, so without further ado, let's look into now these are the box ones. There's not so many, so it's going to be sort of shorter than normal. But then I'll show you part two. There's only going to be a part two with the loose pen, so keep watching. Right, let's get into it. Right, what have we got here? Nice and simple, a Parker. This one is the black one, and it's the fiber tip fountain pen. Okay, so let's open it up. There we go. So fiber tip Parker fountain pen. Anybody looking for a fiber tip pen? You know what to do. There we go. Yet another cross. As I keep on saying, very much underrated pens. This one is, I think it's a ballpoint, but in lovely condition, made in Ireland. I know there's people that like these pens. So, yeah, there we go. Does it say 10 carat roll gold ball pen? So a lovely example in lovely condition. While I'm out there, if I find a sort of a pencil that I think is interesting, as in this case an Eversharp, yeah, I will purchase them. Not only do I purchase them, but a lot of cases these actually come within a job lot, and in a lot of cases the person will say to me, no, I'm selling them all together, you either buy them all or none. So unfortunately I do have to buy sometimes pencils and sometimes pens that are in bad condition. And in other cases, pens that, to be quite honest with you, once excuse me, once I get home, I'll just simply pop them in the bin because they're rubbish. This blue case here with, no, I tell you what, yes, let's keep you in suspense with this one. Okay, so what I'll do a separate review on this one. The clue is in the box for you regular viewers, but very nice indeed. So there you go. That's the mystery one for today. Right, now this one's an interesting one. You can see it says Parker. If we take the box off, look at that. Hey, very nice indeed. Correct nib. Okay, now this one is a vacuumatic, and for you people that don't know, what we've got here is the very sought after Parker vacuumatic in this golden web design or pattern. Now, there you go, look at that. For some reason, there's a discoloured band around the cap. Now, I questioned it when I saw it, is why? Why would it appear in this, well, in this area and not on the full cap? Okay, but either way, okay, it's got this slight sort of discoloured piece here, but still, it's a golden web, it's a Parker vacuumatic, and still a very desirable fountain pen. So if anybody's interested, I'm sure we can put a new diaphragm in it, clean everything, and we could have it as a working pen. You can see it's got the correct nib there. So a very sought after model, yeah, with a slight issue. As you can see there, it's very unusual because it's a very neat band, as you can see. But there we go. We can only pick up what we find. So a very nice example. Here we go. There's another case of a pencil, Everite press button pencil. Now I say pencil, I know there's people out there that collect pencils. If you're one of them persons and you're interested, because personally I do not collect, well, I collect the occasional one that is of interest, but the majority of them, there you go, look at that. Look at that, it's got, is that Everbright or whatever? Yeah, Everbright. There you go. Looks to be in working order with a lead there. So a lovely example. Comes with the instructions. So where are you, pencil collectors? Get in touch. And last but not least, on these box ones, there you go, the Blackbird. So let's open it up. Let's have a look. Right, there you go. Unfortunately, look at that. That's what I'm saying. A lot of these, well, not a lot. Some of these pens have issues. And you can see the clips missing on that. It's a shame because apart from that, it's a lovely pen. There you go. It's got the correct nib. Although the clip's missing on it, and I don't have spare clips. Now, I'm sure there's people out there that want a working pen. They're not too concerned about some small issues or the clip missing on a pen. Because apart from that, as you can see there, it's a lovely, nice pen. If we put a brand new sack in the pen, it will become a working pen. So obviously, it will go for sort of, it won't go for the same price as a complete pen, if you like. So if there's anybody that just wants to start and get into vintage pens, that's a very good example. And that's the last one. So there you have it. Quite a short video. As I said, these are the box ones. Keep watching because I'll show you the loose ones. There'll be a part 2 only. So keep watching. So I hope you've enjoyed looking at these pens and pencils as much as I enjoy showing them to you people. Don't forget, leave a comment below. Don't be shy. And another thing, as I said, you know, from the beginning, people are not now leaving comments. So I'm concerned that people are not watching. So leave a comment, please. Don't forget to subscribe. Give the video a thumbs up if you will. But for now, I'm just going to say Slava Ukraini from me and all these pens. Bye-bye for now.